Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your gender in Free Fire Max. To change your gender in Free Fire Max, first of all, go ahead and open up the Garena Free Fire Max application on your device, and from the main menu, tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. Now, you will open up this page. Simply go to the top right corner and tap on the little gear button. This will open up the basic tab where you can go ahead and select the drop down right next to gender. Select one of the gender that you want to set. I'm just gonna set my gender to female, so let me tap on female. After choosing your gender, go ahead and get back by tapping on the cross icon at the top right, and your gender will be shown right in front of your username in your profile section. So that is how you easily change your gender on Free Fire Max. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more Free Fire Max tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye till then.